Let's write a bash script that will run a terminal counter like this for numbers. We can set the time duration. So to begin with, let's import our ASCII art for the numbers 0 to 9. Let's create that in a separate file. We'll read that into variables like this. For begin and end, we'll have a separate flow so that all it can appear in a box. And then for each individual number, they just have the top and the bottom part. So what we'll do is we'll push all these variables into a file, and then based on the number we'll print the begin token, the number token, and then the end token. So to begin with, let's prepare a baseline prefix for the text files where all these patterns will be stored. So when we infer the file name to print, we can easily infer it. Let's push all these text tokens into relevant file names. Begin and 0 to 9. Now that we are done with this, let's just run it. So we'll use the paste utility to vertically concat these, and as you saw, we'll get a proper banner like number. Now what we need to do is we need to loop through the numbers from the top number to 0 or whatever the bottom number is, and keep on printing those numbers. So we'll use sequence to say loop down from 10 to 1 or 10 to 0. To begin with, let's just check this for a single digit number, then we'll manage for all the digit numbers. We'll provide it a value from the terminal. The default bottom value would be 0, and the default sleep value would be say 0.25 seconds, or let's keep it 1 second. And to sleep. So as you see, it's working with 1 second delay. Now let's go back. To manage multiple digit numbers, what we'll do is we'll create a separate function that will prepare the number file list based on what digits are there. So we'll loop through each digit while loop. We'll extract the last digit with the modulus, then add that digit's file name to the existing file list, and then reduce the counter by 10, and then prepend it with the begin file name. And then what we'll do is we'll simply pass this file list to the paste command that we have, and all those will be vertically concatenated. Let's just do a test with this. It's working for single digit. Let's try it for double digit. It's working. Thank you.